India's coronavirus count has crossed the 7 lakh mark just 4 days after the number of the infections in the country reached 6,22,252 fresh cases and 467 deaths in the last 24 hours and pushed the total cases in the country to 7,19,665 and the death counts to 20,160, figures from the Union Health Ministry said. 4,39,948 patients across the country have recovered so far, taking the recoveries rate to 61.13%. Maharashtra has reported the highest number of cases, followed by Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. India is the country with the third highest corona case load in the world.
Maharashtra remains the worst hit state in the country with 5,368 fresh coronavirus cases recorded in the last 24 hours, taking the COVID-19 tally to 2,11,987. 204 coronavirus patients died in the last 24 hours, taking the death count to 9,206 in the state. Mumbai reported 1,201 new cases, taking the case count in the financial capital of the country to 85,326. The number of COVID-19 deaths in Mumbai has gone up by 39 to 4,935. Coronavirus cases in Delhi crossed the 1 lakh mark on Monday, 125 days after the first case was reported in the city on 2nd of March. 1,379 fresh cases and 48 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. The total number of cases in Delhi now stands at 1,08,023, but it is significant that out of the total cases, over 72,000 patients have recovered from the infection. In Tamil Nadu, the 3-week total lockdown in Chennai appears to be paying off. After crossing the 2,000 mark for 5 days, Chennai's COVID-19 tally is now under 1,800 for the third day. However, Madurai and districts in neighboring Chennai have seen a virus spike. Tamil Nadu has recorded 1,14,978 cases so far, including 1,571 deaths. Karnataka's capital, Bengaluru, has seen a 15.7% increase in COVID-19 cases over 3 days, data showed on Monday. While Karnataka has reported 25,317 coronavirus cases, Bengaluru alone has over 10,000 cases. More worrying, Bengaluru has the lowest recovery rate of 14.7% compared to Delhi's 71.7%, Chennai's 62% and Mumbai's 66.1%. Amid a huge surge in coronavirus infections in Assam's Guwahati, a first-of-its-kind door-to-door coronavirus testing drive has been launched in the city. Guwahati has seen a surge of 4,000 new infections since June 15. Assam has reported 12,160 cases so far, including 4 deaths. Kerala reported 193 fresh cases and 2 deaths on Monday, pushing the total count to 5,622 and the death count to 27. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said that identifying the sources of coronavirus infection and contact tracing for a person who tests positive are crucial within the state. 10 states account for 92% coronavirus-linked deaths and 84% cases in country. The states are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Haryana. The government, like many around the world, has gradually lifted virus restrictions to help the economy. Schools, metro trains in cities, cinemas, gyms and swimming pools remain closed, however, and international flights are still grounded. The coronavirus pandemic has killed over 5.37 lakh people globally since it emerged in China last year. Over 1.16 crore people have been infected with highly contagious virus. Bureau Report.